Hi, I'm Gerry and I'm the implant dentist here at Hamilton Dental Care. Every single day I help loads of patients who are tired of those wobbly dentures or missing teeth which mess up their social life. If this is you, then listen up as I'm here to help. I want to take this opportunity to formally invite you to our Implant Discovery Day. Picture this, you with a grin, so confident it lights up the room. No more worries about missing teeth, no more uncomfortable dentures, just pure confidence. How can that be done? With laser placed dental implants. These could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Say goodbye to dietary restrictions because you'll be enjoying your favourite foods like never before. These custom designed restorations are so comfortable you'll forget they're even there. And guess what? No more speech or eating issues. It's all about living your life with comfort and convenience. Worried about discomfort or pain during the procedure? Then we've got you covered also, with a pain-free guarantee as well as our fantastic sedation techniques for our most anxious patients. You'll breeze through the treatment. Don't just take my word for it. Our satisfied patients are raving about their transformations. Now here's the big benefit of our Implant Discovery Day. For a limited time only, due to extra support we've been provided from our implant manufacturers and our dental laboratory, we're giving away a free implant assessment valued at £228, a free 3D scan valued at £317, and also an AI generated report on your oral health worth £100. But you'll need to act fast. This offer expires when the 6 places are gone and spots are filling up fast. Once they're gone, this offer vanishes. So don't wait. Call 01698 624 400. Call now to claim this amazing offer. You may be asking, why is it so popular? It's so popular because this comprehensive package saves you over £1,100 towards your dental implant treatment. It also includes free treatment plan preparation and a free laser upgrade, and also comes with our priceless flexible payment plans. So why wait? Secure your transformation today and say goodbye to missing, damaged or wobbly teeth and dentures which you dislike with our advanced dental implant treatments. They'll give you a rejuvenated smile without the hassle of removable dentures or bridges. Our award-winning treatments will provide you with the look and feel of real teeth. We've got the cutting-edge 3D digital scan technology, and I'm here to make sure your transformation is painless. Our patients trust us and our remarkable results speak for themselves. Join us on the journey to the smile you have always wanted. We're all about flexible financial options for your dental implant dream smile. Take the first step with us today by claiming your dental implant Discovery Day package. So what are you waiting for? Get the radiant smile you've longed for. So let's recap. Here's what you've got to do. Call us on 01698 624 400. Reserve your spot by calling our team directly and asking for the implant event. Choose your time, provide your information and pay a £50 refundable deposit. Rescheduling isn't an option. If you don't show up, you choose a time that suits you best. This offer is exclusively for those serious about their oral well-being and ready for a striking smiles transformation. We are here to make it happen. So go ahead, make that change and secure your spot today before someone else takes it for themselves. Don't wait. Your radiant smile is just a phone call away.